I'm getting too old for this nonsense.
Alright, I am glad I took another look, see, and made sure that both parts of the costume here were actually put on. Or else this would have been really weird and we would just either have just the headband, the hair, the gloves, and the shirt. Or we just have the, well, shorts and the shoes. Anyway, I am Shadow Harvester. Welcome to Fall Guys. We got a homegrown champ here, ready to run. I'm not gonna lie, Umbral, our color for our bean, kind of doesn't show much to the actual color of the gloves, which are black and apparently red, as you can see. So, I like the shoes though. Very interesting, but anyway, let's do this. Alright, Speed Circuit. Costume perfect. Guarantee. We need about 5 wins to get what we need. So here's to that. Also, the headband has like a little face on it, so if you really want to believe it, we basically got 4 eyes. But what good is the eyes, other than for seeing, of course, if we're going to be using our raw strength, muscle, equilibrium. Thank you, me, for actually going and being able to say the darn word and not obsess over saying something dumber than what it actually is. So, nifty. Hey, okay. Don't want to get a little too confused on that. So, alright, okay. Coming through. Don't mind me. One bit. Alright. A place we can call qualified. Yep, sounds good. Blunderboat. Well, fire it away. Let's see what interesting little segments we will fish out of the water here. No fishing necessarily decided to be part of the game or anything, but still. Nope. Okay. Who else would like to be part of the water that the boat must pass through? Surprisingly well for a size of that. Not gonna lie, but everything is proportioned just enough so nothing bad happens to the boat. I don't know about the beans that have, well, not made it to high tide. Which is not always a good thing either, but still. Especially how many times these beans spend in the, well, the current of the water, of the tides. Alright. Of course, I have to ruin it by not only saying a certain word that I have a habit of saying, but also missing out on the thing there, so yay me. Yep. That was all me, and a little of the other beans' fault. That was my fault, right there. Of course, of course. There we go again. Gosh darn it. Especially when there's only 8. But the timing could have been better on that. This part coming up can be a pain. Especially with how long it takes to get just right enough. Of course, that creature messed me up from being able to hold on to the giant block scale proportion, running its way towards my face. Sound like we're gonna be alone anyway, so I am actually surprised if I could have actually made that. Okay. Blast ball. Am I ready for this? Or must I consort the rules of rules? Okay, I'm surprised that actually still hit me. And I'm still surprised I'm over here. Thank you for not going anywhere near me at the risk of your own safety concerns. I don't know why I bothered throwing right there. Thank you for falling. And I did not fall there. Hey! Okay, win. deserving of my title. Yes. Alright. As you can see, plentiful little assortment of what is necessary. Okay. And we're still going through that Showbucks problem. Not sure when, not sure how, and it's really difficult when everybody just acts like crazy people that do everything for jokes or popularity or profit or whatever. But in actuality, it's just a long, drawn-out rollout waiting to happen. I don't know how well whatever I just said would have worked if it was any other game. So, the luck of the draw worked out in our favor for once. Well, at least in wording of stuff. Possibly with the fate of our qualifying and elimination sort of stuff. Who knows? Alright. And let there be some sort of thought pouring through our heads. Of life and adventure put into everything, so we're not just cranky, angry beans or anything like that. Bounce party. Okay. It's been a while, a while ago, where I've ever actually been invited to a party, let alone bouncing on a trampoline or whatever that I could actually do without risking breaking or falling and hurting myself and essentially breaking, or because of the whole height limit thing. I wonder if they would let. I wonder if I'm like 70 years old and only 3 foot tall. I wonder if they would let me still somehow. Especially if my great whatever was alive. Well, I wouldn't be that many greats at 70, but still, probably be at least. Oh no, probably 2. Maybe just 1. Yeah, probably, because I know a lot of people that are probably 60 that actually have grandchildren or something, but still, so. Yeah, I'd just be 1. I wouldn't be a great. And speaking of great, how about that amount of actually trying to make it into one of these hoops? There we go. All of it is forgiven, except for my calculations. But the party must go on. And it will, just not actually in a party. Unless you want to count this whole group party, but we're not technically in a group where we'd actually play the game or something. And the game most certainly won't have the word party in it. We'd probably be playing Squad Show if we were actually invited to a party or something, but if I do something wrong, everybody's gonna just push me out of it. Blunderboat. I'll take it. And it will be something of glory. Filled glory. Alright. All will be acknowledged somehow with the 5 beans that will be the ones to fall. Alrighty. One, two, three. And I think 4 just fell off or something. Nope, nope, they survived. I saw a bean flying in the air, a blue one, so that had to be you. With those glasses on. I'm actually surprised I made that through with the camera in the way. But was there any ever doubt? Alright. Survival! Except for those other beans. Just kind of had to make it around twice. Two extra beans would have been the ones to fall there, and Circle of Slime with 2 extra beans. Okay, this game can be already a nasty little habit of chaos. So, how you all doing? If I can just stay ahead of everyone, this will be fun for sure. Be nice if the ones in the back would actually fall. I see your game. Okay, this guy needs to stay away from me because they're the ones that can pretty much seal the deal. Yep. They are the ones. Magnificent. Mesmerizing. Little monsters. They are. Okay. Okay, well, let's just adjust our sports gear, stay hydrated, probably towel off some sweat, and make sure the shoes are in top order. I would not be surprised if there is actually someone who could actually win a race with like hole filled shoes or something, instead of just like the top percentage kind of people that are known for being 100% dedicated to actually having all the right equipments and gears and stuff. Clumsy I almost said carnival, but no, it's Clumsy Caverns. I'm like carnival caverns. Yeah, I should just love it when I do some crazy things like that. And this, you gotta love how they pushed me, and then I pushed one into it. So I'm the one with the hair. I got top priority. I got more to lose than any of the other beans. I'm also the one that has to stay in shape because I made the ill-advised decision on dressing like this. Yep. And now take two. Take two will probably be taken a little too far, but only far as in actually making it to this point. It's been a while since we've seen beans actually trying to push off the actual edge like that, where they just stay right at the end. I have no clue what you're trying to do, but I know you're not gonna win. You would think you would know better with 32 as your rank. Skyline Stumble. Let's see how far the stumble can fall into the perfect spot. That spot. Right over there. Okay, so I might have taken a little too much effort there in trying to make it above that little spot there and get hit by not one but two planets. Alright, that worked actually to my and one other's benefit there. Of course, the one from before is just standing there, awaiting. Okay. 12 remain. Alright, roll out. And I'm pretty sure no bean survived the past rounds to make it a not so even number. Which 12 is a very even number. Okay. Yep. Okay. There we go. Blast ball. Okay. If this is our... I don't know. This might be that one game where we have the easiest time to actually be able to be the one that the game desires for us. So, yeah, of course. I say that, but then I do that. You really think they would give you a little more room to somehow survive, but once that hits you right where you're at, it's like, nope. Something like that happens, and all that stuffs. But that's how the cookie crumbles, and I'm gonna end this part here. I'm Shadow Harvester. Thanks for watching me play Fall Guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you when I see you next time. So bye.